Hey guys, this is China B. Atkinson, and I just wanted to give you an inside look of the 4% Success Challenge. I'm actually a lifetime member of the Success Challenge because I love it. What it's done for me is it kind of puts everything all on one platform when I'm trying to build out my online business. And so I just wanted to give you kind of an inside view showing you what tools you can use for really any niche market that you're trying to promote. Affiliate marketing is a big business now. You can find affiliate companies that'll do affiliate marketing in any niche, like fitness. If you're an artist, you can use affiliate marketing for your blog. So it gives you versatility in what you can promote. But the Success Challenge, let me show you. So this is the dashboard. And these are some of the programs that are available. Some of them are paid programs, and some of them are ones that you can get for free. So it offers so much value on this platform. The 4% is a hub for entrepreneurship information. So anything that you need, any resources, tools that you're curious about using, this is really a good area to come and get recommendation. Um, so let me show you over here. Here's a 4% challenge. You go in there, and there are 3 levels. So when you start, you'll be on the 0 to 10K challenge, which is going to show you how to go from scratch 0 to 10K in sales, online sales. And like I said, crypto, fitness, beauty's big, fashion bloggers are big right now. So, this is a way to monetize, your business without having to create your own products. Um, so we're going to go to the training. And there are 3 M's that I like to say that the 4% offer, not only on the platform, but also the 4% Success Challenge offers the 3 M's. Marketing, which is big, learning all the ways that you can market online. That's a big part that it's going to offer to you. Motivation, helping you to stay inspired, helping you to just stay on track. You need your daily motivation to keep the negative stuff and to stay on track, focused for your goals and what you're trying to do. So that's the second M. And the third M is mentorship. Vick Strizheus is the creator of the 4%, and he just offers a whole bunch of value. He's gone through a lot in the industry. He's been in the industry for about 13 years. And so he's had things that he's gone through that he kind of gives us a shortcut on things that we don't want to do. He's great at traffic, and everybody's really, wanting to know about traffic, but he also shows you how to build your platform correctly the first time. So that's the big thing with Vic, and why he's a great mentor for the 4% challenge. Sorry about that, guys. My girl woke up. So I just wanted to continue my 3M. So yeah, it was mentorship that I left off on. Vic is a great mentor. He kind of tells you exactly uh, how you need to do it. Even if you don't like some of the things that he has to say, he says it, and it's up to you to push through it. Because there's definitely been some challenges through me setting up this whole system that I'm doing with my online business. So I am definitely appreciative of the information that I'm getting. So yes, so 3 M's: marketing, motivation, and mentorship. You're definitely going to get this from the Success challenge. Now, I wanted to go over and show you some of the sessions. So this is session 3. Um, and then this is like the beginning of you setting up your platform from scratch. So it shows you like right here, it says it's an intro going over what we're going to talk about. Um, and then what it does is go over, you go step by step. You're going to get your motivation. You're going to get uh, kind of like a layout of what is to come. And then like right here, it's going over like your basic tools that you'll need. And so every session you'll have action steps that you'll have to accomplish. And you know, it's on your own time because you really don't want to proceed unless you've finished your action steps. So you'll have your session complete at the end. And then from there, then once your 24 hours are up, then you'll go to the next session. And so sometimes it takes you longer to do these sessions. So 24 hours actually is a short amount of time. I have my girl running around. So I appreciate that 24 hours to get things accomplished. So yeah, so this is the next session, and it goes over like the way that your whole system is going to work. So it's step by step doing that. So that's session 4, but let me show you, like, say, going, let me see. Like if you go to session 10 or something like that. Let's see here. So like say session 10 talks about deploying a 24-hour traffic strategy. And so, yeah, so this is where you're going to be, you know, sending traffic to your landing pages, and you're starting to get those juices going. You're starting to test everything. So it gets really, it starts to go fast. So, you know, and challenging, and you know, you'll definitely learn a lot from it. You'll get to learn about other companies that you'll need to put with your online business. It's all like parts of your tools and things and resources of, you know, where to go for traffic. So yeah, you will completely get a lot of value out of the success challenge, because I have um, in the beginning, it was a lot of overwhelm because I was on YouTube and I was on Google trying to put pieces together. This offers one platform and go-to area, step by step, with, to me, all the juices that you need to get your business going. And um, let me show you also with the Success Challenge, I created my own personal website for my business. And it took me step by step through that. And I'm proud of my website. Um, and it has all my go-to spots. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Um, and so, yeah, it's one area, an uh, entrepreneur platform. If you're curious about your fan page on Facebook, it has, you know, a program for that. If you're curious about Instagram, it has a, you know, a program for that. So you're going to get a lot. But the Success Challenge is definitely something that is great for you step by step to get your business going from A to Z. I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Um, and yeah, my name is China B. Atkinson. If you need to find me, I'm on Instagram, Facebook, uh, and Pinterest. I pretty much have a little bit of something on all of them. Um, and yeah, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I don't mind. And I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.